In this episode, the end of CocoaPods era, developers complain about Swift 6, Fortnite returns to iPhone, and exciting NFC capabilities for iOS. Stay tuned for those and other news from iOS and macOS. I am Roman Mishchenko, an engineer and Clean My Mac, and we are getting started. Starting with the Xcode 16 and higher, Swift format will be included in the instruments. You can run Swift format from anywhere in the system using the command Swift format. Additionally, it can be launched directly from the Xcode with the new shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I. Apple introduced several exciting safety features in Swift 6, but it has many problems. Developers are pouring complaints in the language repository, including issues with safety diagnostic during compilation. For instance, if class B, which is a main actor, inherits from a class A, the methods of A overridden by B should not be isolated. Similar issue arises when creating an extension for a main actor class using isolated variables. Thus, many developers decided to postpone migration to the new version of Swift. Have you started migrating your code to Swift 6? Share your experience in the comments below this video. The EpicGame Store is finally available on iOS in the European Union. Now iPhone users can play Fortnite again, after its removal from the App Store in 2020. The game catalog starts small, featuring all-time favorite likes Fortnite and Fall Guys. But Epic Games plans to expand the alternative store, targeting 100 million mobile downloads by end of the year. By the way, MacPaw is also developing a marketplace store for iPhone with our setup mobile-only beta. CocoaPods, a long-standing third-party dependency manager for iOS and macOS, is transitioning into a maintenance phase after 13 years of service to the developer community. This shift comes as the text landscape has evolved significantly, particularly with the introduction of Apple Swift Package Manager in 2015, which has slowed down the pace and scope of CocoaPods development. While many developers have continued their support through personal or professional commitments, today any technical maintenance is driven only by external factors. CocoaPods continues to operate to support existing projects, but going forward, no new features will be released, and maintenance will focus on systematic security updates to support new Xcode version. The team will continue to manage essential infrastructure on a semi-annual basis. Plans are underway to potentially make the CocoaPods specs repository read-only, to streamline security measures and address supply chain vulnerabilities. Are you still using CocoaPods in your projects? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Apple is expanding NFC functionalities beyond Apple Pay and Apple Wallet with the latest iOS 18.1 update that allows developers to offer NFC transactions directly within their apps. This update means the app can now offer a range of NFC-based features, including the ability to make payments in physical stores, functions like digital car keys, access to public transit system, and much more. Apple also plans to support state IDs in the future. This update is powered by Apple's new NFC API and security element, designed to securely store sensitive information on devices. To access these capabilities, developers must sign a commercial agreement with Apple and comply with relevant fees. This ensures that only developers meeting Apple's strict security and regulatory standards can use these new features. Initially, this NFC functionality will be available for developers in the next countries, with plans to expand to more regions. If you are a developer from one of these countries, we'd love to hear your thoughts and plans about integrating these new capabilities into your apps. Apple has released a new open-source Swift package for homomorphic encryption named, what a surprise, Swift Homomorphic Encryption. This cryptographic technique enables computations with encrypted data without revealing the underlying information. One use of this technology is the new Live Caller ID lookup feature in iOS 18, which can identify callers and block spam without exposing phone numbers to the server. The package includes examples like Live Caller ID lookup example, which demonstrates the technology in action. Developers can use this tool for data processing and machine learning while maintaining confidentiality. Apple invites the community to contribute to the project on the GitHub, encouraging collaboration to enhance this powerful encryption tool. That's it for this episode. As always, all links will be in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the future updates. See you!